Na tuchokera ati kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi nigunikite na utethio wa mathaga ya ithimi bia laboratory milioni 7,800 yailini kumakire ombalothi bwa nthiguru ya Hungary na Austria akiamukira mathaga ya nyuma ya gikaro kia ombalothi babo bailinga Ba Njuki augite ati mathaga ya gekondene ya cibitari nene ya chuka na kithira ya kabaguna bakongelwa kinyange kumania na gikaro kiki ruarenga bana wa kaunti kinyankuruki na akiara kana MBALOTHI wa kenda ukiria URIMI Samuel Geshima otwachio
Muchemanio ororuthitwe gatigatika thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi itongeretwe i gavana Muthomi Njuki na balozi cia nthiguru cia Hungary na Austria iri nthiguru cia Ruraya arabananirie mantu megi gutethania kibiashara na kirima wara rwong'ini rwa ũgima bwa mwĩrĩ na rwong'ini rwa ũrĩmi. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi nigunikite na mitambo ya cibitari ya kurutha ithimi bia ndamu bia ũgũri bwa ciringi milioni 2,200 ira igatethia kuruthira aje ithimi na njira ya kiindi.
Today we contributed medical equipment from Hungary and Austria in the value worth 7.2 million shillings to the Chuka Referral Hospital. And we are looking forward to a more broader cooperation in the health sector, including scholarships.
We have equipped the Kenyatta Hospital in Nairobi, the maternity ward, with high-tech machinery from Austria, which is also financed partly by Austria. So 50% is a soft loan, which means it's a grant element. That means 50% come from us, 50% come from the national budget.
Kuringana na gavana Njuki, mitambo ino igatumika ndeni ya cibitari ya rufaa ya Chuka arayonekana ikiruta wira bwega. Thirikari inu ikagura jingi ya gutumika cibitari cionthe cia kiwango kia bithatu kaunti ino irio cibitari ya Marimanti na ya Magutuni.
Mbere turauthaga na tu microscope na kanyamu getagwo ga slide kamwe ugekira gatone kamwe ka ndamu. Thaa ino tukathon twithirwa twina machini inenkerwa samples 240 itarimwe. Kwa patient 240 no amaruthirwe test itarimwe na mageterera itarimwe mara magusha gweterera ntuko yonthe muzima.
Kiri URIMI kaunti ino ni kwirigirwa kugunika na warabwa ki mitambo bwa nthiguru ino ciiri.
Kwa program cia value addition muno zaidi twaria kwina ithaime nacio iria inkiumba irio cia uma kwanikwa ikathiwa tono ko imagine wena machine ikuthia igatarukania mutu akuri wane ni binadamu mutu akuri wane ng'ombe na muno gitumagira nkinya solar kwa utina stima na ni mobile. Hone kuona tukapate na wega guti part ya county no tutigakinya technology ino kenda akurima meto momba kuwiro.
Hungary offers 200 scholarships to Kenya every year. These are fully paid, so tuition, accommodation and allowance. The application is done through the Ministry of Education of Kenya's website, so feel free to visit that. The applications opened on November 15th and run till January 16th. They're available for all disciplines, undergraduate, graduate and postgraduate level.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gicigo bunge ya Chuka Egamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Geshima.